it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I just wanted to show you guys a sticker kit that I've really been into lately. This is from Sterling Ink. She does monthly subscriptions, and this is the September subscription, so I just got it in the mail yesterday. I do think it's funny, it has this really big orange do not bend sticker, and then it's just a little bent. So we'll open it up though and take a look at what's inside. So she does a really nice job packaging these. They're always super cute. And so this one's got like this plum color, and this sticker here kind of looks like a notes with some purple flowers. That's really pretty. What I do when I open this is I carefully try to open it so I can retain this sticker. I know that might sound silly, but I sometimes use them. So like in my current journal, I think it's this one. Maybe it wasn't this one. Yeah, it was. So in my current journal, I retained the sticker that was on the front of the July one, and I used it on my cover page. So this is some of the stuff that I got with the July one, and it's just so pretty. I just love it. So let's go ahead and carefully remove this so I can save this sticker. And I just use glue to put it down. I just used my art glitter glue. And I don't care if there's like paper on the back, because like I said, I'll use the glue. I just don't want to ruin the sticker. All right, so then I can get rid of the rest of that when I'm ready. Ooh, look at how pretty. Everything is always packaged so gorgeous. I love this stickers kit. Oh my goodness. I have the August one too. I'm gonna be using that when I do my my setup. So I recently switched to the clear stickers versus the white background, and I'm really glad I did because these just look so pretty. And I know they're gonna look great in my bullet journal. So this is the September sticker. I just love that. Isn't it gorgeous? And then here, actually, you know what? Let's, I'm just going to open up to a random page so we can kind of lay these out on here, just so we can kind of see them in more detail. So here is one of the stickers. I love this like silver foiling on here. So pretty. So it looks kind of like a house, gardeny. So this looks like a greenhouse. And then we have like a kitchen and like a table with some books on it. I don't know, but it's really cute. So there's that one. And then she gives lots of like florals, and you guys know I love florals. I've been doing florals for the past several bullet journals. It's just something that I really love. I think it looks timeless. She has some of these, the art girls or deco girls or whatever. I don't really use them too often, but I do like the other stickers on here, so that is fine. And I know a lot of people do like the art like the sticker girls, but just I prefer just the florals. Then these ones have like tickets with some flowers on them and like some geometric shapes. That's really pretty. I think this is the same. No, it's different. So this one has the girls on it too, but they are different than these ones. They look the same, similar, but they have the different things going on with them. And then like the ticket and just some really pretty florals. And then you get these date numbers, and there's hers are squared. And the reason hers are squared is because she has a planner, and that planner has grid. It's a grid planner. And I bought two of the traveler notebook size ones. I got a vertical and a horizontal layout for 2024. I know that I'm usually in my Archer and Olive, but I think I'm gonna go towards that this time. And then I also have, this is just one of her notebooks, and this is the TN size, and I just really fell in love with like how simple it looks. So I got a couple of those on the way. They won't be shipping until I think it's like late September, early October, but I'm probably going to use the notebook that I just showed you guys, and one of the TNs or both of the TNs for the majority of my 2024 setup, and just kind of go with that. I think it'll be simpler for the next year, as I'm still in school and a lot's going on still. So I'm trying to kind of slim it down and keep it simple, but believe me, I love Archer and Olive. I will be back to my bullet journals at some point. I just wanted to kind of take a step back for 2024. So this is really cute. I love this storefront. It's like a bookstore, and it says Sterling on there, and just these really pretty florals. Again, just like that foiling is gorgeous, and I love how these look. They're gonna look so good inside of the journal. All right, and then there is, this is a second page. I think it's the same exact one. Yes, it is. Love these little frames. They're super cute. This one has like a plant in it. There's the greenhouse, that bookstore, and just some other random things. And then, ooh, those are really cute. We'll get there in just a second. Then these are like the same similar like art style, just like the tear looking pages, like as if they were torn out of a book or something. So that's really cute. Those look great layered with some washi. Then there is some more florals. I'm really in love with these pink ones. They're so pretty. All right, so this is the last of the regular sheets, and then there's a couple more things to go through. These are some stamps. I am in love with this. That's what I said. Ooh, I love a good stamp sticker. These are so pretty. Really love that. So then you get this tiny little envelope. I get the, and I should have mentioned this, I get the bigger, I forget what it's called, but it's like the biggest one that she has, but she has multiple sizes at varying price points, which is awesome. So then she just has some of these other type of things, and this I think says that that she's Sterling Ink. Thank you for your purchase. And then there's a little calendar, some more September headers, some more of those. And then I love this. I used mine here in July. It's just a little tab for the month, and I mean there's several here. I only used one, but I mean, like I said, I have 2 journals coming, so it might be good to keep, you know, tabs on all of them, or even like if I think I'm going to use this as like my journal, like where I do like my longhand journaling, and it might be nice to keep that separated by month as well. So I kind of dig that. And then let's see what we got in this right here. So this looks like all of the vellum that you get in the kit. So let me just open this up. And so such pretty vellum. Like, so there's this, here, let me move this so you can kind of see it better, since it is like that see-through vellum. So this is the first sheet. Gorgeous, love this. It's almost like a letterhead or like a ledger, like a receipt or whatever. Love it, it's so pretty. And then we have this one here. So cute. So all these beautiful flowers again, and this is like, that's what I used on my scrap page here. I'll show you. So in my current journal, this was my scrap page, and I used a piece of her vellum in there as like the backdrop to then do some just scrapping over top of it. So I do really love all of the elements that she has in this kit, because I love using scrap stuff. I love making it fun like that. So there's a few more things here. So she has like the days of the week, and then you also with the September 1 through 30. So this says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't typically use these stickers, but I did like using those. And then also one of my favorite things was this is the last thing, is this vellum piece here. So pretty, love that. And what I did with it this last time, and I'm gonna do something similar this time around, is what I did is I cut it out, I rounded the corner, I put it in, I rounded the corners, and I just used a piece of washi to use it as a divider for when July starts. And I'll do the same thing back here for where August starts. So that was the Sterling ink haul that I got. I am in love with her stuff. I've been getting them for the past couple of months, and I've kind of gone a little crazy with buying things from her. Love her shop. I will link it down below. And again, I really do like this. I got this as one of the Imperfect dot grid journals, and it's just so pretty. I don't even know what was imperfect about it because it seems fine to me. I did a couple of ink tests back here, but that's all I've done in it. But I do think that I'm going to use this as my 2024 longhand journal, and with her other planners, and then maybe, I don't know, I'm thinking about what else I want to do because I'm trying to get it situated so I can start working on getting it set up because I'm really excited for 2024. 2023 was a little rough for me and you know, I'm ready. Not that I'm ready for the year to be over by any means. Things are definitely going in the right direction, but I am ready for that fresh start. I can't wait for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you can follow me here on YouTube. If you hit that bell below, you'll get notifications when I come out with new videos. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.